I can't believe the Maverick going down this road again, but I'm obligated to speak on behalf of the people. This principle of a national football coach, in this case, Jamaica's Theodore Tapper Whitmore, naming his provisional Gold Cup squad with at least 5 overseas-based debutants, we assume to look at them as Whitmore is proud to do. So the big contention between me and some of my colleagues is, should a national football coach be calling players to the national team to look at them, especially in a big tournament? I say no. We're doing the thing upside down. The national coach is supposed to put his scouting mechanisms in place to look at the players before, whether at their clubs or at their schools or on tape or on YouTube. He, the coach, is supposed to know what pieces of the puzzle he needs or what value a particular player or players can add to his team. Look at the player's skill set and attributes, etc. Then him either call them or don't call them. And yes, we understand the dynamics of team chemistry and camaraderie, etc. But those concerns come after the positive identification has been made and he decides, I want this player or I want that player. Sometimes it don't work, sometimes it work. You move on. But every time I hear Coach Whitmore talk about looking at players and looking at players, me cringe. Yes, yes. The Maverick cringe. Yes, the Maverick.